Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Very clean rear entry. You can see with the key fob I can open up both sliding doors and the trunk hatch. The ramp itself is a brand new conversion. Manual entry, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can do the clamps here. I can do this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than the side entry. That's why I like these. It does taper down to 32 inches here at the base. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Between those front 2 seats, there's about 21 inches of room. If you need more room, we can put seats that fold up on their sides. We can remove one of these, but generally, the person's legs will sit in between, unless the chair is more narrow than 21 inches, but the person's legs will sit in between, their bottom will sit right back here, and it will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. This is the Limited. It is fully loaded leather. Got your USB ports, beautiful center console there, panoramic moonroof, which I'll get to momentarily. The dash looks great, brand new, steering wheel controls. It's got the navigation, backup camera, dual climate control, plenty of plug-ins, nice center console, plenty of cup holders all over the van. Got your rear air controls back here too if you need them. And let's say if you're going to use this for a taxi cab, you can turn those off. These doors turn into manual doors. Slide them real shut real easy. He even has heated second row seats. I mean, if there's an option, I'm pretty sure this van has it. If you want them back to electric, you push that button, they go back to electric doors. So we do give a free set of pull-tight Q-string tie-downs away with each van. When you're ready to go, come back here, look at 1 finger. It's that simple. A great alternative to the very expensive and very cost to maintain electric ramps and doors. These manuals are great. They're a great design. As far as the exterior of the van, tinted rear windows. Got Bridgestone tires on it and alloy wheels. The rear tires are about 8/32 a tread. The front are about 6, so they're not brand new, but they still have a whole lot of life left on them. And we are ordering a rear wiper for this. It got torn off somewhere along the way. Maybe someone took it at auction. You never know what people are going to do. But we'll get it taken care of. I want to let you know it's on the way. And boy, I tell you what, it's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. It's a beautiful black color. Looks great, runs and drives great. I'll show you more. Got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. As far as the interior, very clean. I always show you the VIN number. That way you know we're selling this van we've got in our possession. There's that VIN number right there. Speaking of that VIN number, if you go to our website, you can see a free Carfax report with every vehicle. You can see this is 1 owner, last owned in Kansas. Shows a minor damage. Does not show an accident, shows minor damage. I'll show that more to you. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They guarantee no total loss. No structural damage, so it's never had a bent frame or anything like that. The airbags have never been deployed. Shows odometer checks out good. No open recalls. Shows an active warranty. I'm estimated to have 26 months or 22,000 miles remaining on the bumper-to-bumper warranty. Also comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Shows on April of 26 of 2021, damage to the front. Like I said, no airbags went off. There was no frame damage. Shows damage. That probably means someone probably backed to them in a parking lot or something like that. Probably had to have the front bumper repainted or something, but definitely not major damage whatsoever. Another great feature this van has, with either key, you can hit the auto start. And don't think auto start is just a wintertime thing. It is great for the summertime. You come out to these seats, you want these leather seats to be nice and cool. You want the air conditioning to be running. You want it nice and cooled off. So, of course, it's nice to have in the wintertime when you want your vehicle defrosted and ready to go. But it's also a great feature for the summertime. As far as the rest of the interior, this van's got this beautiful cream leather interior. You know, it's leather. It's not going to stain like the cloth. So you got the power driver, power seats. Everything looks great. Everything looks darn near brand new. It's got the second row of seats. Got your armrest down if you need them. Fully loaded. It's about every option you could imagine. Shut that power door there. And it's got the keys where you can have these in your pocket. You can have these in your purse. Come in and put your foot on the brake. Fire it up. You can see there's no No dummy lights on, no check engine light, no airbag. Current miles 13,367 miles, and it's got the heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, backup camera, and it's got the lane departure monitor. So if someone's in your blind spot and you're going to change lanes, that little triangle will turn yellow right there. So great safety features all the way around. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Very clean. This is exactly what we're looking for on a used vehicle. Looks darn near brand new. As I crawl underneath the van, very much of the same. There's no bent metal. That's the air conditioner dripping right there, and it is humid today, so it's putting out some water. Everything looks great. No signs of any damage, no signs of any water or flood damage. And that's the number one mistake people make when shopping for used vehicles. They assume things. They assume, oh, it's a 2020. Oh, it's only got 13,000 miles on it. Oh, it looks great in pictures, They just assume that's a nice van. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. And that's why I'm showing you these videos. You don't have to assume. This thing's clean. It runs and drives good. I'll show that to you. It's not all rusted out. The metal's not all bent up underneath. People get burned on the internet every single day. They lose their life savings. They lose thousands of dollars because they assume things. Demand a detailed video like this. Even if you don't buy from me, tell them to get off their behinds, get out there and make a detailed video. And if they won't do that for you, what are they really trying to sell you? What are they hiding from you? That's something you have to decide. If you're going to cross your fingers and hope the van shows up like you're expecting, 80% of the time you're going to be wrong and you're going to get burned. Before I get it out on the highway, I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. We test everything. This is not some van that gets out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. I employ these fellers. We got a lot of tools. We got a lot of equipment. We do that for a reason. I want to take the guesswork out of it, and I want you to show exactly what you're getting. And check this out. I love this panoramic moonroof. Not only for the driver, on a nice day. See, you've got passengers in the rear. Say they don't get out very often, and they want a little sunshine in their life. Look, it goes all the way back. See, you've got one in the rear back there as well. So you can get this whole thing lit up on a nice day. Beautiful sunshine. Nothing cures the soul like some sunshine on a nice day. So the panoramic moonroof works great. It's awesome to have. So let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van's roadworthy. Pops up to 60 miles an hour, no problem. Good acceleration. It's got steering wheel's nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. Very clean van, inside and out. With that being said, we always recommend an affordable extended warranty with every vehicle. Talk to me about those. We can protect this van for the next 8 years. Make sure you don't have any issues. Kind of like a bumper-to-bumper type thing. So talk to me about those. Also keep in mind, we've got great reviews. Nobody in the country goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. We go detailed videos. We've got dozens of pictures, free Carfax reports, detailed descriptions. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. We don't just slap a couple pictures up on the internet and hope that you buy it. Also keep in mind that a lot of these dealers out there have a real nice price online. Then when you actually get out there, when you actually start talking business, they've got a $500 administrative fee, then a dock fee, then a tag fee, and they've got all these made up fees. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price, if they're being deceitful about the actual price of the vehicle, before you buy it, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding issues with the title? Are they hiding mechanical issues? I just don't like doing business with people that aren't upfront from the start. That's a huge red flag to me, and that's why we put the price delivered to your home on the internet. And with other dealers, they don't do free shipping as well, so you got to factor that in. Next thing you know, that real nice price you thought you had, $2,000 or $3,000 more. Not so nice anymore, is it? So I'm gonna give a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call, 316 8262 vans. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a texter, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to try the competition. I want you to ask him, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. And that way, if I have an issue, I can reach out directly to the owner. I don't have to talk to a whole bunch of different people. So see if those big companies like Freedom Motors and Mobility Works and Braun and VMI, see if they'll give you the owner's cell phone number. Are they committed enough to customer service to let you reach out to the owner anytime you need to? Try it out. Let me know. And we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone or email address. Let us know how we can help. We're always eager to help. And see our entire inventory of all our vehicles with detailed videos, pictures, and Carfax reports. See our website, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.